Okay, guys, I was thinking around with what you guys had in mind. I was thinking really this one, small one. Then I can put some glitter on here with a little glaze, or this big one. And this is, of course, going to be transparent here in the middle. And then the whole colors will pop through. I can glaze it anyway, put some glittery stuff in here or some mica. So I'm not really sure yet. It has to dry. It is pretty much dry, but it has to really, I'll have to give it a week or two before I can do this. So I'm going to be putting these away, and you'll see that in a later video. Now, I have some paint left over, and I would like to do some swiping. And we had a little discussion on acrylic pouring basics. That's my Facebook group. So if you are not a member of the group yet and you want some guidance, there are like 35,000 people on there, and they're all very willing to help everyone. So if you do have Facebook, that is, because you need a Facebook account, then you go to your search bar and you put in acrylic pouring basics, and then you find the group. Then it'll ask you if you want to join. Then it'll ask you a question or two, and then you can join. Okay. So, let's see what we can get out of this. I shouldn't have went back. That is sort of... I shouldn't have went back. I'm not going to go back on the next one. That's kind of really light and pretty. If you're hearing something in the background, that's my dog. He's always growling, really softly. Wow, wow. Because he's laying in his little basket. He likes that. Now I'm only going to go for green and blue. That's that. And a little bit of dark blue. Just going in between here. Oops, don't have my rag. Oops. Not that interesting. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that is interesting though. You see those really long cells? These are nice. Really stretchy cells. That is kind of nice. I think that is worth experimenting with. Looks kind of cute, doesn't it? Of course you're thinking, what are you going to do with that? Well, I'm going to make a little pendant out of that. Okay. That's a keeper. One more. This time we're going to do a darker one. Put some blue inside there. A little bit darker turquoise around the sides. think this time it's going to work. That's a pretty one. But we are going to make it wavy, a little bit wavy. Just a little bit to give it a little bit, just straight down isn't that, you know, interesting. If you have a little bit of movement in it, just makes it that little bit more interesting. So we're going to keep that one. And I'm going to do one more, I promise. Only this time I'm going to put it smack in the middle. Like that. We're going to pour a little around it like that. And I'm going to put one on top like that. Ooh, it's coming out on all sides. Ooh, that's too bad that there's no dark blue in that one. There is in this one. I'm still saving up for the colors I'm going to put on the door. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. And I still have to make something out of this one. That's kind of pretty. Okay, I promised that was the last one. So I'm gonna upload this video and the one with the resin thing, the bowl, and I'm gonna call it a day. I would like to thank everyone for a really fun pouring weekend, and thank all the sponsors. New sponsor list at the beginning of this video, which you already saw. I'm gonna clean this all up, and I'm gonna see you maybe not next week. I think I'm gonna have a week off. I'm gonna do something else. I think I have something that I want to do. Not sure yet, because it's gonna be some nice weather next weekend, so I might be doing, I don't know, flying the drone or something. Thanks guys for watching. See ya. Love you all to pieces.